Hello, Killeen. I'm Janelle Ford. It's time to get you caught up on all the great events happening in our city. Hop on over to our Easter egg hunt on Thursday, April 14th at the Killeen Athletic Complex. The event is from 5:30 to 8:30 with the egg hunt happening at 6:30. Enjoy free face painting, food trucks, and photos with the Easter Bunny too. Fun for all age groups up to 12 years old. There will also be adaptive fields. Our annual citywide auction is Saturday, April 2nd at the Killeen Special Events Center. Public viewing begins at 8 and the live surplus auction begins at 10. Items can include used vehicles and accessories, computers, office equipment and furniture, and several other items. April is National Poetry Month. The main library will hold poetry workshops exploring how to write in different styles of poetry and how to use them when creating your own poetry. Workshops will begin at 2 o'clock on each Thursday in April. Here's a chance to be a part of something big. Our Killeen Fire Department is hiring. If you're interested in being a firefighter, paramedic, or EMT, and you want to save lives, submit an application by April 10th. Men and women are encouraged to apply, and no experience is required. Apply at KilleenTexas.gov/jobs. We hope you had more wins than losses playing games during our Family Fun Day in March. Don't forget, our next monthly downtown event is Celebrate Killeen. It's from April 28th through April 30th. We'll have 3 days of fun, live entertainment, and local artists as we celebrate the culture and diversity of the city. Head to KilleenTexas.gov/downtown events to sign up as a filmmaker or food vendor. And if you want to stay in the know of this and other events and news in Killeen, sign up for our citywide alerts. We post everything from street closures and boil water notices to events and city council meeting information. Go to KilleenTexas.gov/alert center and take 60 seconds to sign up. We have so much more happening in our city, and you can find out more by visiting our website at KilleenTexas.gov and checking out all of our social media platforms. Have a great week.